John Dramani Mahama. Unye serious as a president. So you serious as a president here. Wo my yanchi untumi na kanchira me ameti say. Untumi ewo man in the mining company certificate oni krata no bie mane. Me ba cho NDC for mo boa. Omni way etum futuro gu Ghana for ani. Sera be Ghana for nyina attention make say untumi na yegalam say. Me why NDC ni momo me yegalam say. Bese mbusa John Dramani Mahama say. Eye ababa wa ya ye frɛ no Joanna Jan a o ye kachayire and now 2025 ya na Joanna wa ba mu man award o ye galam say na so ye galam say e di enti na mu man award Joanna Jan me ba ncho man company eye galam say no ya na say man company ababa wo ye to so biem ya mi me pam ncho wo fahene ya mi watimuram en wo ye galam say adana Joanna Mon stop ya me mo ye galam say no. Muni mo ye galam say NDC for. And NDC DC for nyina mo ye galam say wa Ashanti region. Rural area say wa Ghana nyina NDC DC ye galam say. Especially Ashanti region. And I chimpatam wo. Me bam chow de to so biem. NDC cha John Mama wa dwene mu ha. Me tell say NSL stop galam say. China ni bia oba Ghana. Ibam chow visa bana China for the bagana. Ghana ni ko China or visa. China ni bagana or visa. Dia visa no riba. Working visa. About your working permit. About your working permit be our under regulations. Yadi juma. Dia working visa and omriba. Omodi ba so mo ba be juma. And I say abano ma omo say. Eje omo document and I say about your migration from Ghana. Obi ba Ghana me pa chow. Krata no de ba no adwuma ban anase sika sa no so che o man so de ba bi adwuma e adwuma ba no mu ba bi eno ne ade a me pese mbusa Ghana ban any immigration officers e bam chow salata ni anase obi ba Ghana mo me pa chow o ba bi adwuma de krata no de adwuma Ghana wei e yo ma bi a Ghana empanifo mu ade de ma to positions no mo adwene wo fom mo adwene e wo fom munim se de sichichi kro ena munim de friend leadership eno ntina mo bre as a leaders enka China ni ba Ghana obi a free China ba Ghana ni ko China ya ma visa ya wo visa requirement no ma ense wo hia asa na ma visa and asa working permit how many years working permit ni wo akwa na afa so renew ni nyina nka ban so so stop galan so be check ho ipan cho ya chibokin na ni no galam se ade amra de ne fa so o working visa me pa cho o akonya se obedi 3 months stay wo Ghana pa cho akonya ba na ma ne kwan se o tra Ghana won sa me galam say na on say yensuo ni ensase Ghana yenye serious as a country John Mama unye serious ekufo do aban try say nka o de mra eye adwuma wo wanu mu bo sha akọ share galam say fo ukogina sa Joanna Jan campaign ase eno what department ese galamse ni de munyai ye ntwam me bam chaw galamse campaign mu ye se mo de mo ba amnesty mo be yin kofo fra bonten ena ma ne Ghana fo ne ye galamse koso gidigidi ya ne ba bia na akufo do abam ye nye galamse kura ye ba bia NPP abam ne nye galamse kura ye enne akoba se tray kwan ba bia ye di e say tray kwan to kwan ye tu de ye galamse on se NDC abam se Ghana fo nsuro aban no Ghana for ensure John Mama ban because say mo message any kwa mo fa so kasa kire citizens and say we are say mo ma akonya dawo ma obi aye de ope Ghana because say mo ni sen and say mo ni tumi a mo di wuru country as a leaders and utina garan say yentimi fight na because you promise Ghana for say what the amnesty e be you ma ya chi wo mu and pa ba what the amnesty you confo John Mama you ma free prison garan say for fan na me catch on omo me ya galam say omo ye NDC for anase NDC for gidi say omo nkura bi ka wanase omo nkofo ka ho ene ye di amnesty yi omo nyina nti abusua John Dramani Mahama adwembone a de bedi Ghana konya so no wo ye sure de ekoso fa galam say ho ogo kan o say ye di IP address na chew o chemi amebo odua se mu NDC ni bi tu galam say ena mo kasa etia ohini bi wo kasa tia president bi a ye bebo odua e simple Oto anadwo mama lupre atiahwe. Ye kura me so de anadwo mama wo lupre atiahwe na wodwo mama wo existe kura wasase so na elupre okonya accident ka sie bia ma wodwo mama wo wu because won Ghana ho on Ghana ho and Ibrahim Mahama or money company as well money company Ibrahim Mahama or free body boy Asante region about your money one as well money Ghana and Sasa baby and your crew where money on I don't quite money or body boy more yard about protecting my party number than Jessica and to buy Asha one and as I join one Mamman my bonabaso say or ye female and minor me bacho or ye minor or money company Ni Montobi Ibam Chow or company said own to be a company nana Galamse and Waye Galamse and Waye and so get not to parliament modern DSC Muya oh Taba to me and I Yakorean and lances him winning craters or their money a quanta money no more frustrated ye Ghana for just like that Wabra NDC for me see ya me mutin in Muram no me metro for Google no mu sensuo NDC for them say ba wo mia eba wo ma ba be gu NDC for them say o mutimi fa ese dun katia eru na dusu be pam chow obi am face ba wo mia Julius Debra o mutimi fa nim face ba wo mia nti o ma wo say ese no de obi a won to galam say ana bisiu of site I know I said that the camera tells so and this is fighting galam say yes so kwaji 2 billion na kwaji jisika e was site just like that and I'm Jimmy ye Ghana for the Mama so obaso stop galam say NDC Mr. President obaso stop galam say dia wadwene da kwamu dia na say wadwene wosoro na say wadwene modua me pa chaw e ma Ghana for visa biem me pa chaw e ma lances biem e me yem fanya small scale man me pa chaw sa small scale man no o mo ani galam say for no do mama me pa chaw ka kira yen for say mo yin bia ntena ho e ma obi mfa yere say mineral commission mo ma lances mo yin bia ntena mo obi mfa lances man krom e me say no so na sase ka sa kira Ghana for galam say so twa oyena no obi tumi so so bo nsase ene no so hu ban ka sa kira Ghana for na yente se Odwan mama obeso stop galam say ni enhwade abusu a share video no ma omu
the one of the contribute causes some of these things your campaign okay. So that when we are campaigning with Mahama for say oh to mamia be a muye be a bit my yama
oh but we see
and I think and also another people hope I say cocoa price hope ya amount for you who say NDC amount for hope say 6,000 they say people say I didn't never 6,000 they buy 120 no they say we for the kind of still people don't appreciate it sometimes as some be can catch up obino and the bema ebe sakino I do say
no salam would you be convinced Sebia NPP ebe billboard LSU Dr. Foucault and I Casasano say why billboard LSU no watch LGBTQ oh here paragraph 6 being every contributing paragraph 6 and by your school fee act no paragraph 9 maybe contribution and now I have billboard I decide to move see why never talk when I was
the reason why it's happening is you see I can't say every project be in your society no and our community no ya zoom say MP in the area in fact you call MMDC's program be because you say obo say assembly project pa I'm a commissioner and I'm MC you know and as MP near close friend names MP never cut sword and people don't even see say assembly members in that now and negotiate IBBA so people don't give them credit I'm assembly management because we go across so that's how we actually the money is being taken away from them but so I'm community who say we assembly for management KVIP assembly man discuss a local government as for MP or representative of parliament say mra boy in Ghana nobody will have a problem but Ajuma DC you know NMP MP can say construct road construct school these are major works DC and MCA Juma in the district so then it started with the way we are campaigning as a in the fourth republic you know you are going in correctly yeah mama for so democracy will give us development but the to MP or the Juma baba and the status and remain on it akope Monday maybe a crack lay best but let me with some okay about
What are you talking about? That's how you are saying you. And I wear abronya.
I'm sorry, but some of kind far the Gabi Mokai. I have the video here, Gabi Okai.
Oh, they said they are contestable.
UK branch say, oh, yes, I know actually was saying because of Skaka Krana wanting, or me, I did friend trade off, and they forgo fly over for community. And yes, as I was saying, he was at the meeting here. NPP, NPC, National Gaza. I'm more prefer say community roads mamu than fly over. Okay, the pay one Gaza. Now there was a this kind of uncertainty. Gaza fly over and neighbor in this okay. You first kind of community and I say in a rules. Was it all the NPC now Gaza? I'm more than National Gaza. I'm more prefer say be in a rules than a fly over. Can't just say any fly over. That's an NPC okay.
No, but the first okay, yeah. MPP for a meeting, Birmingham, right?
Sure.
And he, we inviting no.
Sure.
But I need we inviting as what? As a lawyer, or as a cousin to the former president? And now, you invited not all Casano, not all Casasa information are not all king. Say I'm pa. Oti as a journalist, and now as a lawyer, and now second meeting Okobi. And I say, Okobi Zwa, in his capacity as saying, Wana, Yakaza, we are de facto prime minister. You are not part of the government. You are a lawyer, you are doing your business. They say, Kaza or Kasano, or Kaza in this capacity say, then meeting Okobi, or Tiwahi, Tana, at this time, TBR now.
And the minister video now, and the video was say, I was at the meeting, that means no team B. And the cabinet meeting, I was at a meeting.
And in the now of a catfight was de facto prime minister and all done this year. You yet.
It was oh. Yeah. And come say MPs and I said the MPs say they prefer inner roads than fly over.
Now impo sample it here.
Question because you have a lot already, or you go back?
No. There is one or two that I want to do. That's why I went to.
Interesting. All right, let's have you.
Thank you.
The country is worried about the fact that the galamseyers are destroying everything, including our railway lines.
You said they shouldn't use galamsey.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. But
yes, I concede.
My battery is almost off, so I would like to highlight just few.
Okay, let's go.
I saw a brother from I think East also. He was saying some things. I think I wanted him to base on one thing, but he didn't say it. Talking about from Kumasi to Road is very bad. So I thought he would have said something about that road instead of making some political, like what he was saying. He shouldn't have said so, because he shouldn't have covered himself with political colors. He should have
which color, what exactly do you want him to clothe himself with?
He should have been neutral.
Is this not a political platform?
He should have been neutral.
Neutral when he's an NPP member. What are you saying?
I don't know if he's NPP member or not NPP member, but
he is actually.
I was not expecting him to cover himself with party colors, but he should have been playing with some things, because a road leading to his hometown is not good. In the 8 years of the opposition party down, they didn't do anything about it. If he uses Bolga, I think Bolga Road, if he uses that road the road is very bad. North as a whole is not giving at all in terms of infrastructure, like anything. So I thought he would have said something about it instead of going after a different political party. Meanwhile, when we are to talk about this Gala issue today, the Northerners are leading.
Okay, Northerners are leading in Gala, in the north.
Yes,
or where?
Gala, both north and south, we are leading it. Why? Because there is
Interesting.
lack of jobs, lack of development. We are lacking a lot. So instead of him to push on that one, he was covering himself with party colors. And also Banuba, I thought he is also in Wa. You understand? So if they get platform like this, they should have used this platform to question our ministers and the president, of course. Because when we are to Attorney General Dominic Ayini, he is from Bogatanga. John Dramani Mahama, Speaker of Parliament right now, Majority Leader, and Interior Minister, they are all Northerners. So why is it that they are not developing the North? Instead, my Northern people will be there like, let's fight against illegal. Meanwhile, your people do not have work to do. So
No, but are you not concerned or worried about the fact that
I am really
the
concerned.
Gala,
I am really
the
concerned.
Gala
But the fact
people,
is,
hold on. The Gala people are destroying our waters and river bodies, all right, and our forest reserve, of course.
I'm
And
even
their
advocating
position,
for
so
them
far
to
as I'm
stop it.
concerned,
You
hold
understand?
on. Their position, so far as I'm concerned, is that we have overly politicized this. And the fact that the NDC government, all right, sort of created an impression that they will do better in dealing with this Gala issue. And now they are failing at it, is what they are concerned about. So, in all their submission, I did not, for one, because this is a political platform, think that, hold on, I did not for one think that as an NPP member, he will come here to defend John Mahama. How would that sit with you?
Please let me say something.